Actual COVID cases remain high locally, and part of the problem remains the state's backlogged reporting system. There were more than 1,100 cases, 4 deaths reported in Dallas, Tarrant, and Collin counties. Denton no longer reports on Sundays. 390 of Dallas County's 592 cases were from the state's reporting system, though that backlog including cases as far back as June. 7-day rolling average of cases the past 2 days has been at the highest level since August 22nd. Statewide, there were more than 3,000 cases and 30 deaths reported. The rising COVID cases has some health officials questioning whether local school districts should continue to have in-person classes. Fox 4's Shannon Murray is live at Hotchkiss Elementary in Northeast Dallas with more. Shannon?
Lauren, we've seen some staff members arriving here at Hotchkiss Elementary this morning, and the school will reopen today after last week it had to close because 7 staff members tested positive for COVID-19. Dallas and Tarrant County are each seeing an increase in cases, as you've mentioned, following weeks of declining numbers. Tarrant County's website lists it as a substantial community spread level. Last week, Tarrant County Health Director Dr. Vinny Taneja recommended all schools return to virtual learning only. And on Friday, Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins announced that the county is back in the red threat level. Dallas County's Public Health and Education Committee recommends all students remain off campus when in that high-risk red zone. But Dallas and Fort Worth ISDs say they will continue to offer in-person learning. For parents, it really is a difficult decision. These are the kinds of things that really worry them when it comes to dealing with COVID-19 in schools. Danielle Niamatali's son is in pre-K. For now, she says he will continue learning in person.
I feel that what they're doing with temp checks, hand washing, hand sanitizer everywhere, they have pods in the classroom, limiting who they're with. I feel comfortable still sending my children to school. And I feel that the school is doing everything they possibly can.
And we have our recommendations, that when there is this high level of transmission, which we're concerned about, that virtual learning is really what's recommended from public health. We know what to do. We just need to do it.
A new model from UT Southwestern researchers shows roughly 1,250 new COVID-19 infections per day are expected by the end of October in Dallas County and roughly 1,100 in Tarrant County. Dr. Philip Wang says when it comes to students, they have seen clusters of cases related to athletics, not just from playing games, but also from time in the locker room and time spent socializing after those games. He says that, we need to keep with the safety measures that are in place, the social distancing, masking, hand washing. And if all of those things are in place, that will help. But if you're not vigilant about following it, that's when they're going to see these case numbers increases. And Lauren, he feels that people have become a little lax and a little more comfortable, and that's why we're seeing this increase right now. Reporting live in Northeast Dallas, Shannon Murray for Good Day.